Aloha and welcome to our video for 1.4 Biology Basics. The goals for the video are to recall that biology is the study of life, and then also we're going to describe some of the characteristics of all living things. So let's begin. What is biology? Let's take a look at this word here. Bio here means life, and logi or logos means to study. So basically, biology is the study of life, and that's what we'll be covering in this class this term. Okay, the last thing we're going to talk about are characteristics of organisms. Remember, organisms are living things, so what we're looking at is what does it mean to be alive? Now, scientists have come up with a list of 6 traits or 6 characteristics that all living things have in common. The first of which is that organisms are made up of one or more cells. Now, you can be a single-celled organism made of one cell or a multicellular organism like us that are made up of many cells. But the main thing is that you are made up of these cells. We'll talk about cells a little bit later in the class. The second is organisms use energy. They use it for a variety of processes, and we'll be talking about those in the class as well. The third is that organisms have features that help them adapt to their surroundings. That means they fit in where they live. They fit to their niche. They have adaptations that allow them to fulfill a specific role, and that's kind of important for them. The next one is that organisms react to changes in their surroundings, and that's a response to a stimulus. So if you have an external or an internal stimulus, the organism's going to react to it. That's what we're talking about. The fifth one is that organisms change or develop during their lifetimes. It can be simple growth, or it can be a huge change like a butterfly turning into a caterpillar or a tadpole turning into a frog. And then finally, organisms can produce more organisms of their own kind, and that's simply reproducing. They can make more new organisms, and that's how they live through time. So that's it for the video here. As you go through the lessons, you'll get it in a little bit more detail. Hopefully you enjoy learning about this stuff, and we will see you in the next video.